eventually people will find out about the truth about this individual. Say nothing. You've done enough. You may have tried to warn, you may have tried to protect, you may have tried to highlight about this individual. Maybe because this individual's behavior was affecting you, but Spirit is saying you've done your part. Let them take over. Soon enough, this person's mask will slip, okay? This person is, I'm hearing, not a nice person. They are very, very, very depressed. And because of this depression, and for some of you, I'm hearing that they've got addictions that they hide. And whoever they're connected with feels as if this person is a safe bet. This person could project that they are someone that they're not. If they're in a partnership, they mirror their partner. Their partner feels as if they are stable, grounded, emotionally healthy, but it's so further from the truth. For some of you, this individual has tried to block you from connections. They try to socially isolate you, is what I'm hearing. And they have managed to get away with this because they are fearful that you will connect with their friends and their friends will prefer you better. Or you may know of the same people and they are jealous of how people take to you. They are jealous of how easy it is for you to connect with others, to bond with others. People just like being around you. People like your energy. You are high vibing. For some of you, this individual has stooped to underhanded means to block you from a love potential. Maybe they feel like their love life isn't going good, so why should you be happy? Or for some of you, they feel as if the person that has their eye on you should have their eye on them. So they be maneuvering in the background with the Five of Swords. And whatever was done in the dark is going to come to light. They will be exposed and it will be a sad sight to see. But Spirit warned this person time and time again to leave you alone, but they refuse to. Very determined to inflict pain onto you because they are experiencing pain. There will be a fall from grace if this individual is in a position of power at work. It will be exposed that this person has done underhanded things, used their position and their title to mistreat others, to sabotage others, to block others. And this is what this person will not want to get out. And you may find in some cases that this person may be quite remorseful and they may try and befriend you because it's going to be as if they're trying to outrun their karma. And Spirit is saying, ignore them. They chose to do this to you and they chose to do this to others, so they should reap what they chose to do because it was a choice. It's out of your hands, it's out of, they can't go back and undo the pain that they cause. Spirit is involved now. Your guides are involved. Your ancestors are involved now. This person is very volatile, scattered, unstable, vengeful. And you may have warned people that this person has shown narcissistic tendencies and no one believed you. But people will believe you because this person will lash out, will keep lashing out, will refuse to leave a situation, especially if people have ended connections or ended a connection with this person is not going to let go. We had a reading like this a couple of days ago. This person does not like boundaries. So they will be overstepping people's boundaries. If people don't want to converse with them anymore, if people don't want a friendship with them anymore, this person will keep trying. They can't let the situation go because they will be experiencing narcissistic injury. And they're going to expose the volcanic eruption that they managed to conceal for months, for some of you even years. They will expose their jealousy. You know, Spirit is going to allow things to unfold so that everything that you said about this person comes into fruition, because maybe in some regard people may have thought that what you were saying was far-fetched. Maybe some people don't know about narcissists. Maybe some people don't know about spiritual work being projected. Maybe some people don't know about manipulation. You know, unfortunately, some people are not schooled in this, area or these areas. So when you were telling people, they were looking at you as if you're making this all up, because some people only believe in what they can see. Oh, but they're going to see all right. They're going to see that this person's been trying to block you. They're going to see that this person's jealous of you and they've concealed it. And this person's going to be left out in the cold. They're going to see that this individual is fixated on you, fixated on trying to destroy your confidence, fixated on trying to socially isolate you because of maybe the amount of money you have or don't have, or your job role. They're going to see that this person's emotionally unstable. They're going to see this person's a gossip, how they try to align with others to come up against you. They're going to see that this person is scattered mentally. They're going to gain that clarity. And for some of you, this person's going to be kicked out of a family or a friendship group that felt like a family. And they're going to be begging and pleading to invest some more, but no one's not going to invest in them. The truth is going to be out about